How to fix Capcut export stuck at 99% on mobile. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Capcut getting stuck at 99% while exporting your video. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. So, if your Capcut export freezes at 99% and never finishes, don't worry. This is actually a really common problem, and usually it's caused by storage issues, app glitches, or export settings. The first thing you should check is your phone storage. So open your phone settings and go to Storage or iPhone storage. Here you'll see how much free space you have available. If your storage is almost full, try deleting apps you don't use anymore, old videos, duplicate photos, or large files taking up space. Even freeing up a few gigabytes can make a huge difference because Capcut needs enough temporary space during the export process. The second fix is offloading or reinstalling Capcut. Sometimes the app itself develops small bugs that can stop exports from finishing properly. On iPhone, open Settings, go to General, then iPhone Storage, and find Capcut from the list. Tap on it, then choose Offload App. This removes the app itself, but keeps your projects and saved data safe. Once it finishes, tap Reinstall App. After reinstalling, open Capcut again and try exporting your video one more time. A lot of the time, this refreshes the app and fixes export problems instantly. The third fix is lowering your export settings. If you're exporting in 4K, try changing it to 1080p instead. You can also lower the frame rate if it's set very high. Higher resolutions and frame rates need more processing power, and on older phones, this can cause the export to freeze near the end. After lowering the settings, try exporting the video again and see if it works properly. And finally, the fourth fix is restarting your phone. Sometimes Capcut gets stuck because of a small software glitch, either inside the app or on your device. If you're using an iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner, press and hold the power button, then slide to power off. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn your phone back on. If you're on Android, just hold the power button and tap Restart. After your phone restarts, reopen Capcut and try exporting the video again. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix Capcut exports getting stuck at 99%. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.